Hi everyone. Hope you all are fine. And with those beautiful smiles, let's begin. Looking at the shapes, what do you think we are going to study? Yes, something related to four-sided figure. So today we are going to learn about classify quadrilaterals. In this lesson, we will learn how to classify different quadrilaterals and name them. Before classifying quadrilaterals, let's know what is a quadrilateral. A quadrilateral is a four-sided polygon with four angles. The sum of angles in a quadrilateral is 360 degrees. Classify quadrilaterals. We will be classifying 5 types of quadrilaterals: trapezoid, parallelogram, rectangle, square, rhombus. Let's know about trapezoid. A trapezoid is a quadrilateral with one pair of parallel sides. Let's see some figures of trapezoid. Now let's know the next quadrilateral, which is parallelogram. A parallelogram is a quadrilateral which has two pairs of opposite parallel sides which are equal in length. Now let's see some figures of parallelogram. Now let's know about the next quadrilateral, which is rectangle. A rectangle is a parallelogram with four right angles, which means a rectangle is a parallelogram. Its opposite sides must be congruent or equal, and it must satisfy all the other properties of parallelogram. Now let's see some examples for rectangle. Let's know about the next quadrilateral, which is rhombus. A rhombus is a type of parallelogram which has all four sides of equal length. Now let's see some examples for rhombus. Now let's know about the next quadrilateral, which is a square. A square has all four sides congruent or equal and its sides intersect at 90 degrees. Square have the properties of rhombus and rectangle. Let's see some examples for square. Now let's know what are the properties of square. Square is a rhombus. Why? Why a square is a rhombus? Because square have all sides of same length. Square is also said to be a rectangle because it have each angle which is 90 degrees. Now let's know about the properties of quadrilaterals. In rectangle, we have four right angles and opposite sides are equal. In square, we have four right angles and four equal sides. In parallelogram, we have two pairs of parallel sides which are of equal length. A rhombus is a parallelogram with four equal sides. A trapezoid have one pair of parallel lines. Quadrilaterals and their Now let's try a problem. Use as many as possible names to identify each polygon. Tell which is the most specific name. Now look at the figure carefully. Could you guess what will be the name of this figure? Yes, trapezoid. Now look at this figure and say what are the possible names. Trapezoid is related to quadrilateral only. So what will be the name? Quadrilateral and trapezoid. Now let's try one more. Now let's solve one more problem. Use as many as possible names to identify each polygon. Tell which is most specific. So here we have the figure and we take the help of family tree of quadrilaterals. So now which quadrilateral looks like this polygon? Yes, rhombus. So we will now move in upward direction to find the other possible names. So here I have parallelogram and quadrilateral. So other possible names of this figure are quadrilateral, parallelogram and rhombus. Now solve this, pause the video for few seconds, and for your help we have the family tree of quadrilateral. You will name this polygon. Thank you.